Welcome. Today is January 29th, 2023, and this is another question video. So today we're going to go over an option contract and what exactly is an option contract and why it's a good or bad idea to trade options instead of stocks. So let's start off with the easiest question. Let's start off with a question that everybody has. What is an option contract? What is it? Why do people trade options? When people think about the stock market and they see a few changes in the market, a few dollar changes or a few cents changing every day with the market, is it really worth trading? Do people really think that you have to buy hundreds of thousands of shares to actually make a living off of trading in the market? Now, people do trade stocks, and one stock is equal to the value of the price. And if that price goes up, you can make the difference in that. Or, if it goes down, you can make a loss in that as well, depending on if you decide to get into a call or a put. We'll get into that after. It seems a little bit confusing, but to make things clear, let's just get one thing out there. You can make money whether the market goes up or down. Meaning, if the price is $100 and it goes to 105, you can make money. If the market is 100 and it goes to 95, you can also make money. It just depends on if you're longing the market or if you're shorting the market. And we'll get into that another day, but today we're going to speak about options. So, one option contract is equal to 100 shares. So, let's say you purchased one option contract of a stock valued at $100. You buy that contract, and let's say the price of that by the end of the day goes up to $105. That's a $5 difference. Let's say you purchased a call, meaning that the price you think is going to go up. So meaning you think the price is going to go up. That $5 difference would be $500, and that would have been a $500 profit pre-tax. Keep in mind that if it is held under a year, it is going to be taxed under short-term capital gains tax. And that fluctuates depending on how much you make per year and what state you're in. So, let's say you purchase a put option and the price goes from 100 to 105. You would have lost 500. Now let's say you bought a put option and the price went to 95. That's another $5 difference, and that would have been a gain of $500. Let's say you purchased a call and it went to 95 from 100. That would be a $500 loss. So the difference between a long and a put is when the market goes up or down. If you think the market is going to go up, you should enter into a long. Or a call. If you think the market is going to go down, you should enter into a put. So why would anybody trade options? And is it risky? Let's start off with the second question. Is it risky? Of course it's risky. You can lose a lot of money trading options if you don't know what you're doing. Is trading gambling? Not necessarily. A lot of people compare trading to gambling. There is an element of risk, just like anything else. If you decide to get a job, there's still a risk. Is the risk of trading stocks and options greater? Yes, it is. So it's important to know what you're doing. It's important to understand risk management, to have the right trading psychology. There's a lot that comes into play when it comes to trading. So is it risky? Yes, but it's more risky to somebody who has no idea what they're doing. And why should somebody trade options? Well, the main reason why people trade options is a limited amount of capital to trade with. A lot of options trader, you can start off trading options with, I would say, as little as $2,000. If you want to day trade, I would say as little as $25,000. In order to trade stocks effectively, you would probably need a lot more if you want to buy a lot of shares. So why trade options? Because you can earn more with less. It's one of the main reasons why. So at AGC, we usually focus on trading options, trading Forex, sometimes trading stocks, but options are very common. They're a very commonly traded thing, and very commonly traded security, and a lot of people are doing it. And if they know how to do it, they can earn a living off of it, or they can just earn more and they can live more comfortably. So that's it for the day. What is an option contract? If you have any questions, head over to our website at awateglobalcapital.com. Send us an email, send us a message, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.